Hi guys, this is Brandon Evans from Brandon's Elevators, Hotel Tours, Rides, and More. And today, I'm going to be making a video that I would assume some of you guys would like, and I promised it in the comment section of the first video that I made about my elevator panel, that I was going to make a better video with an in-depth look. This is going to be that video. So here is the EX512 key, and then I'm going to turn it on. If you haven't watched the first video, go watch that one too. Kind of hard to see it. It's a different camera. It's called Action Camera. It should turn on in a second. It does take a minute.
First floor.
There we go. Alright. First floor, door open, door closed, alarm. And there's the one. Focus camera. Alright. So now I'm gonna take this up to 2.
Going up. Please stand clear of the closing doors.
That's the speaker down there.
Second floor.
Let's take it back down.
Going down. Please stand clear of the closing doors. First floor.
Take it back up one more time after I demonstrate the other things. I'm going to turn it on independent service.
This elevator is on independent service.
That is the EX513 key.
Going up. Please stand clear of the closing doors. This elevator is on independent service. Second floor.
I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to get the 514 key and turn it on inspection mode.
This car is now on inspection service.
Yeah, it just locks the car pretty much. You can't go down with the simulator thing. Alright, let's turn that off. Get the 515 key out, and then turn on fire service.
This elevator is now in fire return. When the doors open, please exit the building in a safe and orderly manner. First floor.
Now let's turn it back off. Well, that's pretty much the panel. So the people who made the panel, one second. So someone named Jason from Elevator Service Company, he's up in Northern California. CE Electronics, who made like most of the electric parts for it, and then Innovation Industries, which is basically the people that made all the fixtures, like the alarm button, the open, close, 1, 2, all the key switches and the floor indicator and all that kind of stuff. Innovation Elevator Industries for that. Not sure where they're located. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe.